with one board. Like I have last paper of IT which is on 25th of March, and I have to prepare for that, but let's say it's just like over kind of. And today I will be doing my desk cleaning, so yeah, that I will be doing today. I'll have game now. We'll be adding this Maggie into it. Oh. Episode or something I will watch, because I cannot have anything without watching anything. So yeah, that I'll be doing. And yeah, let's see what I will be doing next.
I got a Swiss hoodie again. I got another Swiss hoodie. Yesterday we had to wait like 6 hours for this. A lot of black tops, so like an off-shoulder. Do you see my lips?
Okay, so this is how my desk have been lately. Like it's literally a mess. You can see it from the here only, and above only I have thrown everything, literally everything. Like my teddies are like that, my books are like that, like literally it's just like a mess. So yeah, that I will be doing cleaning, deep cleaning from now, because here also in my drawer, here also things are messed up. So I will be starting from here. Like first I will be moving my desk front, because I have to clean the back side of the desk. So yeah, I have to be doing that. Yeah, let's get started. I have to also remove the unwanted things from this area, so it will be such a deep cleaning today. So let's get started. And I will be also changing some makeover of my desk. Like this makeover I'm feeling like very boring right now while studying. So yeah, I will be just changing this all like makeover. Let's see, I will see some inspirations from Pinterest so that I can recreate it. Not recreate, but I will get some ideas how to create it as like aesthetic desk. So yeah, that I will be doing. But for now, let's just move our desk front and let's just get started with my cleaning things. Also, this is how I am looking right now. from Imagica, and I love him so much. He's so cute. Also, this actually this is having a very special story. This is having a very special story. Like I have gone to play some KOG games. So in that there was like that one game is there. No, we have to pick the stuffed teddy bears from that, and we just have to take it. If you take out that from that stuff, so you that teddy. Okay, I don't remember its actual name. So yeah, in that game I won this. Just ignore this. I don't know from where this happened. Okay, so this I have got it from that game, and I just love him so much. Like this is my first ever I got from that game. So these three are my like jigar ka tukda. I love stuffed toys. I always want to buy one big teddy, but I don't know how to buy it. But till then, they are mine. Get a cloth to wipe out the floor there, and on my desk also I have to wipe it. Also I have to wipe the wall over there because it is so dirty, and also I just want bring a cloth soaked in. So I have got my lunch here. Here's dal and roti, rice, and some potato sabzi and some pickle. I will have this, and then I will start cleaning the rest of the part. Okay, so I had my food now. Just wiping down the floor. I brought this mop, and now I'll be wiping out the floor. My mom came and helped me. She picked out the dust which I have collected, and now I will be just doing the puja. Okay, so finally I've cleaned the back side of the table, and this is how it is looking. And now I'll be cleaning this cupboard. I'll be giving it a deep clean. So let's do it. I finally cleaned it. Right now I just cleaned my cupboard, and this is how it is looking like. And the above stuff I have kept it like this only. Right now I'll be taking rest because I'm too much tired right now, so I'll be taking rest and I will be going through Pinterest so that I can find some inspiration, and then I have to get some stuff also, so I will go to do shopping also. Then I will like show you what are things I have bought and what I'm buying. So yeah, but right now I'll be just going through the Pinterest and just doom scrolling. Also I will paste the images which I liked and which is my inspiration for the next desk makeover. Till then my desk above part is like all messed up, so yeah, right now I was watching One Piece, and now I'll be getting ready for going out for shopping. So yeah, let's just get ready and let's meet you guys after getting ready.
Chill a little, stay right here. We ain't gotta go nowhere. Chill a little, stay right here. Let it fade, my dear. Chill a little, stay right here. Stay right here. Chill a little, stay right here. Stay right here. We don't need much, just you, just me. Chill a little, stay right here. Sat on my own, seat laid back, phone on mute, I needed that. Yeah, got my keys in a coffee cup.
Okay, so this is what I'm making. Like this is the two racks which I have made, and these are the stands, you can say, so that it would be like something. It is there like a khamba. Anyways, so this is what I'm making. Let me show you. So this is what I'm making, and here are the parts of it. It literally took me 2 hours to make, and I still have to stick to these two. So yeah, that is. So finally I've done the lighting thing, and it is like from there. Just ignore the wall, guys. It is looking damn hell, I know that. Anyways, but the lighting setup is looking all good, and I'm quite satisfied with it. And this is just the trash of the double-sided tape. I used this, and I am pretty happy with the result. Now I'll be decorating the wall. Then I will be setting up my desk. So yeah, I will meet you guys after setting up my desk and decorating my wall. So finally I have created my dream desk. It's not that much good, but it was a mini makeover from myself, and this is how it is looking like. And I am really in love with my desk. By the way, I will quickly show you what things I have on my desk. So firstly, I have this 3 pencil stands, pen stands, and yeah, some random stuff I have here. Here's the dustbin, and here is my pouch. Also, I stick my favorite K-pop group, that is New Jeans. I love them so much. Here are some aesthetic posters which I was having already. I just stick it here. Here is having my tumbler, and here is my lamp. Here's my headset, and here's my computer and computer and keyboard. Also my mouse is here, and this is my favorite thing, because this is the aesthetic mirror which I wanted from many days, and I got it. here I have put in my skincare products, and here is like random stuff plus the combs. And here I have kept the random stuff like combs and scissors and some eye kajal and some random stuff. And here is my vision board, which is like kind of hidden from this all stuff. Here's my sound, and that is it what my desk is looking like. And I hope you guys just enjoy this video. If yes, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Also comment below.
Still in my hood,